So there it is, y'all. We got the rows going. We're gonna have cabbage and carrots, radishes growing over here. We got the rows for the corn, and for the other, it's cucumbers, squashes, broccoli, beets, and all that other stuff. So you can see it's all coming along nicely, y'all. Coming along nicely, slowly but surely, getting it done. So yeah, y'all, another day, another dollar, another mountain, another garden that we're getting done here, y'all. And that's really what it's all about, getting out there, moving your body, getting it done, getting some exercise in, breathing in this fresh air, this fresh mountain air that we got here, and just taking it all in and enjoying life. Ooh, hairdo looking crazy. So, you know, I've been out here for a couple of hours just putting it in work and getting things done, because that's really what it's all about. Can't wait to get these seedlings, you know, transplanted and all that. Obviously the carrots can't transplant, got to directly plant those into the soil. And yeah, so it's looking good. Get these rows, you know, we got this natural compost here, and we got leaves and things like that. So yeah, it's coming along nicely, y'all. Just want to give you a little update video, see how it's going, and slowly but surely, you know, we're gonna get things going. Oh, we also have another plot over here. Take y'all over here. So over here we have another little plot. This is old. This is already here, but we still have some spearmint growing. It actually, you know, it still survived after the wintertime, and it's still growing in there, as you can see. But we got all the natural compost in here, and yeah, we're just getting ready to get started and get it done. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give the video a thumbs up if you do, thumbs down if you don't. If you have any tips, anything like that you'd like to share with me, I'd appreciate it. Drop it down in the comment section below. Just another day out here in Rocco's Vegan Life, enjoying the fresh air, enjoying moving my body, and enjoying life. Carb up, y'all. Go vegan. Enjoy life. Peace.